Okay, all right. So we'll be using this data set for today's activities, and if we study this data set carefully, there are two worksheets here. One is transactions and the other is cities. Taking a closer look at this transaction worksheet, we'll find out that okay, look at both worksheets. There is a matching column, which is the city column. The city column is here, and it's also repeated in the cities worksheet. So that's first thing to note. This looks like our fact table, and this looks like our lookup or dimension table. Now there is something different about this. Let's look at this city column or find out that there is the city of Dallas, is here in the transactions worksheet. We have Dallas here. While in the cities worksheet, we don't have Dallas. So there's Dallas here, and we don't have Dallas here. Then one more thing to note here in cities, there's no Dallas here. If you look at this list of cities here. Then another thing to note is that here in the cities worksheet, we have Houston, the city of Houston here, while in the transactions, what's it called, worksheet, we do have Houston here. So two things to note here. There's Dallas here. In transactions, we don't have Dallas on the other side. That's cities. Here we have Houston. In the cities, what's it called? In the city column of cities transaction worksheet. Oh, sorry. In the city column of cities transaction. Sorry. We have Houston here in city column of cities worksheet, while we don't have Houston here. Sorry, I'm just a bit under the weather. Please bear with me. Yeah. So let's just go ahead and bring these two worksheets into Power Query. So these are Power BI desktop. Okay, this is in Power Query already. Sorry,
Mr. Jude, before you carry on,
okay.
I have a question. And my question is,
okay, please go ahead.
just based on your analysis now that we have Dallas here, we didn't have there, we have this one there, we didn't have that there. In a scenario whereby we are dealing with a very large file, how will it have been able to kind of easily point out, these things, or what will have been the best way, to pinpoint this observation?
Okay, yeah, that's a very good question. There are two methods that come to mind now. Let me minimize this. There are two methods that come to mind. One is we can filter, what's it called? Now, we know we are going to use, since we have agreed that we're using city as our matching column, so it's just good for us to check the city column in both, in both tables or in both worksheets to see if there are differences. Normally, because this is meant to be a dimension table, normally everything here should be unique. Ideally, when I say everything should be unique, is if city being our, our key here. Here city is like our primary key here. So everything should be unique here. That means they should appear only once normally, and everything here should appear here normally, because we are meant to use city column here in our fact table to generate the city column in our, what's it called, in our lookup table. Ideally, I'm talking of the ideal situation. We should not have a situation where there are some, being this being our primary key here, there are some cities here in our lookup table that we don't have in our, what's it called, in our fact table. But be that as it may, going back to your question, one of the ways to check if there are cities appearing here are not appearing here is we can do a unique list of what is here. You just saying let's do, you say that's one of the importance of knowing how to use our Excel functions. Just do equals to unique, then it's not unique. Unique, drag this down, close it. It will give us the unique list of our list. I mean, all the lists, all the cities appearing here. So this is the unique list. So when you have this list, you can now go to cities as well, and this cities column and do equals to unique, do this. Just copy, it means copy the whole array. That's copy the, sorry, I didn't explain what I was doing. You have to copy the entire list of what you want to find the unique list of, come here and do this. Now we have this now. So it's a matter of these are things you can just do manually. Taking this Control C and coming here, Control V. Ideally, what's that? Control C. Let me do that again. Control C. Let me paste special. Let me just paste just the value here. And now we have the two, what's it called? That if it's a very long, if it's a very long list of data, like we have hundreds of columns, and the probability that you have quite a large number of unique lists is slim, really, in most cases. There are the tendency that you have like hundreds or thousands of a unique list. The probability is very low in most cases. So when you have this two short lists of what's it called of data, I'm sure you can easily compare, look at them. Okay, I have this here. It's a matter of comparing this and this. So I want to believe probably there might be and what's it called, a formula that will say, okay, look at this, check if it is here and return it. I want to believe so. But with this short list, I think I can easily take a look at it. Okay, do we have this here? We don't have it here. Another method I was trying to refer to is
I think there's a formula like that you can use to say check there and if it's there. I think you've done it before in one of the classes too, where if you find this there, return it there or something like that.
No, okay. I remember that's match and index. No, I don't think I remember what they are talking about. That's of all the formulas we've used in our previous class, I don't think I've used anyone that will say, okay, check here and okay, look, do you have anything, any repetition here? I don't think I've done any of late, Then again, the other one I was trying to define, you can just, create a filter here, just check here, look at, it will give you a unique list as well. But this is more because if it's a long list, you can't be scrolling up and down. I think the best thing is to have it copied out here. This is a unique list. Exactly what you have here is here. Even if they are appearing, even any name is appearing 5 times here, the moment you filter it like this, it will only appear here once. That's the thing. It will appear just once here. So you can do this and come here and do the same filter. But I don't think this is a better method. I think the first method will be a better method here. The same thing is you, even if they are appearing more than once here, they will only appear once here. So you can, but there's now, how do you now copy this out into a table and compare? That's the problem. So I think it's better method. The better way is just to do a unique list, use a formula, get a unique list and do this, and you can compare both, I don't know if Sister Debbie has probably another method that she can explain to us, based on the question Mr. Celebrant asked,
Sorry,
But
I
that's what I
was
think. Yeah.
distracted for a bit. What was the question?
Oh, okay. He was saying that now I was able to find out that there are some cities here that we have under city column in this worksheet that are not here. Like for instance, we have Dallas here, and we don't have Dallas here.
Okay.
And we have Houston here. This is Houston, and we don't have Houston here.
The transactions.
So, as if we have a long list. I know this is just, we have just 16 rows here. If you have like thousands of rows, so how do we, check for the discrepancy in both columns, or in the city columns in both worksheets? How do we find out?
Are you
That's
going
okay.
to do a lookup?
Okay.
You can do a lookup, and if it's not found, you tell it to just bring NA or something on the other sheet. So you can always do a lookup to see if a list,
if it is not there,
if it exists in one, or if it does, if it like the one that has the most now.
Okay.
We can tell.
Okay. I think we can say, okay, like equals to now. Oh no, it won't be here. I can use here as well, but okay, let me put it in the front, for clarity. I can say, okay, V look up, go and look up this city. You go here and check this entire place. Then the first column, then if it's false, return 0. Then if it is okay, I can put, let me see, can we, no, normally this should return, values, but I'm trying to put an if clause there as well. This should return values for us, but that means it's not seeing anything here. But, oh, okay.
You can wrap it in if NA, if it's an NA,
yes.
Then tell it what you want it to bring, maybe not found or something.
Let me try and, I think I did not make this static. Is it F2 now? No, I think it should be the entire column. F2. Let me do this. Let's check this entire. Then F4. Oh, it's F4, yeah. F4, 1, 0. Where did I put the formula? Oh, I put it down. Okay. It should be in the first row. Let me select everything and make it static 1, 0. Okay, so good. So we should have just this, saying that, okay, that means Dallas. That means what is happening? So the if, that means if, let's put if there. Then I hope.
No, there was an if NA when you did if.
Okay, if any, if not available. Okay.
So NA, yeah.
So
Pick this,
not available. Okay.
something like that, yeah.
Okay. Then should be two close shots, I think. Because there are two of it. Okay. So let me. Okay. So this is showing not available. That means we don't have Dallas here. We don't have Dallas. It's saying that we don't have Dallas here. It's saying that we have everything. We have everything here, but sorry, city. We have every city. Everything we have here is here, except for Dallas. So we can equally do that for here to show, okay, we need to know. We can say equals to if not available, then do a VLOOKUP of check here, then this whole table F4 it should be 1 2 3 now 3 0 if not available, sorry, not available. Okay, if NA VLOOKUP this. I was thinking there should be one more here. You enter too many arguments. If this 3 0, is there any additional arguments? Okay, let's run that again. Let's run that again and see. If not, if NA, do VLOOKUP of A to this from this old table, which is this A to C, then 1 2 3, the third one, put a 0. Okay. I see. If value VLOOKUP this in, no, I think I'm missing these two places up. Don't let me. I think
you
I've
want
already
to do
done
it for
transactions
city.
here.
You've done it for
What to
transaction.
do
You
for
want to do it
cities?
for city.
Okay. So equals to if not available, the value is VLOOKUP. What are we looking up? This city here, where from this table, let's check this table and let's make it static, F4. Then the other question is column index. Sorry.
You press the second, you selected the second instead of, you selected A2 instead A3 instead of A2.
That's A3.
Yeah, instead of A2, because A2 is where the first
okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, sir. Then no. Are we on the same page? Am I even?
You're on the right track.
Right
It's
track.
asking for the column index.
So that is 3 now.
Yeah.
That's 3. Then 0. Right?
Yeah. So
you have to, okay, I did not close it that time. I only put a comma. I should have closed it. So I should have closed it.
Yeah.
Before the comma.
Then you can see the argument.
Moved NA. Okay, I think that was the problem earlier.
Value. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that was the problem earlier. Yeah. A2. Why is this saying it's not seeing it? Why you? A2 from A2 to C16, from A2 to C16, yes. Then 3, 1, 2, 3, yes. 3, 0, not available. Why is everything not
I
available?
think there was another argument after that NA that we didn't put. So if you remove that last bracket and
Okay.
see what's the argument is asking for.
Okay.
Comma. So if NA,
Comma.
the
Okay.
value is there. So
that's the value itself. The value if not available. So value if it's not available, you said you should put NA there.
NA, yeah.
Yeah.
Then comma.
A comma, no. This value is the VLOOKUP formula.
Yeah.
And that's what ended here.
Okay, I see. Okay. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's what ended here. So this other one, value if NA should be this. I think so. Okay. All right. So
we found a typo.
I think you put 2 brackets at the end in the other one.
no, it's I put 2, but it corrected it, changed it to 1. So if here you did if C2 is, find it here, and the 1, 0. So I don't know why this one is acting stubborn. No, that's the truth. No.
That's why I don't like VLOOKUP.
They are just
Use
they are
XLOOKUP.
practically the same formula. Ma?
Okay,
XLOOKUP, right?
remove
Okay.
the if NA. Let's remove the if NA, all of
And
these.
see. Okay.
Then we'll see what we can do from there.
No, now I've removed if NA now. So why is it? Okay,
The
I have to
first
drag
bracket.
it down. Yes. So it's still, so that means there is a.
Why do we have brackets around VLOOKUP? Those last bracket, and then the first one.
Okay, I think I haven't removed everything completely. Okay, I think it's okay this way.
Yes, it should be.
But I think it's returning the, is return. Okay, it's not returning it. So, but we should have an answer here. So it's not even.
It's not finding anything.
It's not finding anything. That's the problem.
There's something wrong somewhere.
Because this is A2 now. If A2, and this is transactions, A2 to C16, A2 to C16, that is it now. A2 to C16, then 3.
It's A2, no, I think
1, 2, 3, the third one.
Let's look at that VLOOKUP again.
Okay, this again, right? Okay.
We said if A2 is, okay, so that's your city. That's the lookup value.
Yes.
What's your lookup array? It should be city on the other side as well.
Yes, other side, yes.
Is it city that we pick? You picked
yes, is the transactions
table.
Transaction worksheet.
I'm used to XLOOKUP, not this one.
Okay, so let's try XLOOKUP then, and let's see.
I prefer XLOOKUP. VLOOKUP has a lot of struggle with it sometimes.
Goes to XLOOKUP, lookup value, this.
Yeah.
Lookup array.
The second.
Looking at this.
And then we go for,
right?
no, not all
the
of
second one, yes.
So we pick just the city column.
Not all.
Not all the table, no.
City column only. Okay,
Just,
lookup array, not the table array. Oh,
no.
Okay, it's the lookup array. Okay. Oh, it's
Yeah.
not table array. Okay. Okay, good. Lookup array.
Just pick from Wacko down.
Wacko down. Okay, let me.
We can. I think we should be fine with that as
well. F4.
Yeah.
Then return array.
So what do we want it to return?
It should return city too.
Okay, yeah, the same thing again. Pick the city again.
Okay.
Then, well, if not found, we can put NA in quote.
Okay. Match mode, exact match,
Yeah.
search mode, first to last.
Let's put one, or we can ignore that.
Okay. Common.
So if we
See, saying there's no value.
saying NA, it should be saying NA, not value, but let's drag down and see. So what's the problem then?
I don't. I don't. Why? And this one works
Do
quite
you want
easily.
to take it away and see what's wrong somewhere there?
Yes. I'll go have a look at it. I'll go have a look at it.
We click on that warning sign beside
Okay.
it could give us
Error in value.
help on the error or help on these errors.
If you want to take me to internet or something, that's
and check what the matter is.
value. Let's look up transaction. Most times I don't normally get info from, just give a generalized, generic, information.
So it's telling us that if we are getting value hashtag value as the answer, then it's the formula itself.
It's the formula, yes. I think the formula
so
is.
we can go back and look at that, and as homework, let's all read up or do some research on VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP and all the lookups, because again they are very important, isn't it, to what we do. But yeah.
Strange. Okay, I think we can, like you rightly said, just go and have a look at it again now.